Hey, folks. Welcome back to Aquilaire Sources. Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss: credit cards with a $2,000 limit and guaranteed approval. If you've been struggling to get approved for a credit card or you're looking to build your credit, you've come to the right place. We'll dive deep into the details and options available. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly are these credit cards? Well, they are cards designed for individuals who may have limited or poor credit history. They come with a guaranteed approval process, making them accessible to a wider range of people. Now, let's talk about that $2,000 limit. Having a $2,000 credit limit means you can make purchases up to that amount, which can be extremely helpful for covering unexpected expenses, building credit, or even taking advantage of rewards programs. But what's the catch? Are there any downsides to these cards? Well, let's be honest, they do come with certain limitations. Typically, they may have higher interest rates and annual fees compared to traditional credit cards. So, where can you find these credit cards? There are a few options to consider. Alright, let's kick things off with the first card on our list. Capital One Platinum Credit Card. The Capital One Platinum Credit Card is a great choice for those looking to establish or rebuild their credit. It offers a $2,000 credit limit, and it's known for its straightforward terms and benefits. Next up, we have the Surge Platinum MasterCard. The Surge Platinum MasterCard is designed for individuals with less than perfect credit. It provides a $2,000 credit limit and can be a valuable tool for improving your credit score. Moving along to our third option, we have the OpenSky Secured Visa Credit Card. The OpenSky Secured Visa Credit Card is an excellent choice if you're working to rebuild your credit. It requires a security deposit, but it offers a $2,000 credit limit and a clear path to credit improvement. Now, let's talk about our fourth credit card, Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Card. This card offers a unique combination of rewards and credit building. With a $2,000 limit, it allows you to earn cashback on your purchases while you work on improving your credit history. Last but not least, we have the Reflex Platinum MasterCard. The Reflex Platinum MasterCard is another excellent option for individuals with limited credit history. It offers a $2,000 credit limit and a chance to demonstrate responsible credit usage. So there you have it, 5 credit cards with a $2,000 limit and guaranteed approval. Whether you're looking to rebuild credit, establish credit, or simply have a financial safety net, these options can help. Remember, while these cards offer guaranteed approval, it's essential to use them responsibly to reap the benefits and improve your financial health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Aquilaire Sources for more financial tips and insights. Have you used any of these cards? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.